Chevre, we're here again at Kurrent with Jack. Jack, finally it came the day of the event. Let's go. Take us in and show us what we got.
I'm excited to show everybody what we have over here. Come on in. Today, we're doing an event that's different from something that we've done in the past. The difference between today and our other events is usually when we do our events, we focus on beautiful stuff, beautiful plumbing, beautiful products. Today, we're showing something that is actually a core of what we do, which is to show how the things work, the technicalities. We want to make sure that our plumbers and the contractors and installers understand the products that we're selling. And us as a team, we're constantly busy in trying to create better ways for our team to understand how things work technically, the technical side of things, which is a big part of what Kurrent does. Where a lot of what you see over here is just the beautiful part, but the behind the scenes, the customer service, how we make sure things run properly, our systems and our processes is what really makes us stand apart.
Wow, so here you are today and you brought down a bunch of vendors.
A bunch of different vendors. I've been here for 20 minutes. This event started about a half hour ago. I spoke to a plumber and he was telling me that he was a plumber for 20 years and he already learned 2 new products that he's never seen before.
And I'm looking at this like a mini expo.
Mini expo,
very cool, mini expo in Kurrent.
And maybe we can do this consistently. We're always trying new things, and who knows, maybe this is going to be a thing because people are loving it. They're seeing things that they've never seen. Over here, this vendor's called Cavity Sliders. And we have Steven is here from repping the brand. And we're showing a pocket door system that has a few different concepts that people don't know about. Number one, the second thing that's really beautiful about this is the soft close. The soft close, what it does is number one, when you're closing the door, we have one installed upstairs. When you're closing the door, it stays closed, so it doesn't bounce around. But it's inside the pocket, and when the door is closed, it stays put.
Wow.
So there's no moving around, it stays there, closes slowly, no noise. It's perfect. Beautiful. It's a really, really cool product.
Jack.
All right, this is EWS. EWS has a bunch of different filters. The one that I love is, again, these big filters that you have that clears out all the chazadai from the water for the entire house. So these are as big as a person. You're doing a full home. You don't have the chazadai in the end, like when you shower, something like that white goat or whatever it is. This cleans it up. You don't have that anymore. You want the steam, you have this, you don't get the steaming in your eyes.
Wow.
All those good things. So
nice.
this is EWS.
Nice.
Point of view is also for actual faucets.
Nice. You know the best, Jack. Whenever Kurrent does an event, they do it right. Look at the food. Look at the Kurrent Kurrent Lamas is a Swedish owner, or is a Swedish owner, they know how to do it. The food all right. I would go to construction just with this, Jack. Okay, unbelievable.
Okay, so this over here we're showing a concept, it's called a wall drain. So the drain is inside the wall. So we have a shower, you have an entire floor is clean, and you see the wall and drain. And we're discussing this, we showed this to a couple of contractors. I just heard from Solid G Builders that he wants to put this in every home.
Really?
It's great, it works.
Look at that.
It's clean.
You know the drain is clean.
Here you go, you don't see anything. It goes straight in.
Unbelievable.
You don't see the drain at all.
You have that, don't you have that over there?
That one is in front of the wall, which
This is actually in the wall.
This is actually in the wall.
So nobody's seen anything. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's in the wall. In the wall. So cool. No more drains and floors.
And here the plumbers are here, they're learning how to install it, they're learning how to use it.
The plumbers are jumping onto the
They're
stool
jumping
right
on it,
there.
they're like, we like it, they're asking their questions.
They like it, the concept is good, the concept is there. What do we got here?
Here we got warm up. Warm up provides in-floor heating or heating for anything, for benches or whatever it is. The beauty of it is that you can use it in small spaces. You can heat up just a small bathroom if you don't do it in your whole house. For under $1,000, you get the full system with a pad. Put it on, heat the shower bench, heat your walls, heat whatever it is that you want, and it's a nice, clean, beautiful
You put it on my
setup.
steering wheel, I still have an old car. It's not
Well, there you go.
I come in the morning.
We'll make it work for you.
Unbelievable, very cool. Very cool. So this is the newest thing.
This is yeah, one of the things.
Very cool. Kevin feel this. Actually hot. Jack, what's with the sauna you always talk about? Is
The sauna, you can go in. I think they put it on for the event. I think they put it on, I'm not sure. But you have some merch here.
Kevin, merch. Where's 202? There's always merch. Merch is always good. Anytime, Kevin. Grab a hard hat, grab a cap, grab a sweater, a hoodie. What's with the sauna?
Sauna, no, they forgot to turn it on. We'll put it on for the next guy.
Okay, put it on for the next guy who comes, Kevin. The sauna over there. And whenever you come into Kurrent, there's always some good chips, always some good snack bags over here. If you're on a diet, Kurrent is not for you.
And we always here to have fun, right? That's what we're here for.
Here, look at this. Israel's giving out merch to the Oilam.
Yeah.
We love Israel.
We found out who brought it. We found out. I found out.
No, wrong one.
No, not Blue Dream Square. Blue Dream told me. He comes in, he goes, "No, my guy."
Blue Dream bought the Oilam over here. Giving out some good merch for the Oilam. Okay, the Oilam hostel weg. Shopsi, was ook de matzav do.
Listen, we have a lot of good training. We have a lot of new items that we have from manufacturers that are coming to display and show the contractors and plumbers different things, how to install it, answer any questions like this. Everybody is on top of it and knows everything, and there's no issues later on with installation. I think it's a great thing, and of course Jack, my boss, He always makes everything. Er macht altijd de party.
Outside party, dude.
And
you
we
guys
enjoy
party all
it.
day,
We
every
enjoy
day.
it. It's great working here.
Look how I was explaining it. I'm telling you, I'm doing this at Blue Dream Team. The Blue Dream Team. They don't leave Blue Dream. They build the nicest stuff in Borough Park. Get our kick. Yitzi, I see you standing over here in Kurrent. What do you say about Jack?
Jack is amazing, an amazing partner. We have this company together, Remzen. We do outsourcing. Jack himself has over 15 employees working in Mexico. And they do from customer service to his to running his e-commerce company, to listings, to any executive assistant, anything and everything you need.
I love it. Jack, you pulled it off. Is this the first one you're doing?
This is the first one, first of, it looks like maybe many, because people are loving this, people are loving the concept of learning. One of our pillars is learning, innovating, and giving all that information. So
you're saying there's going to be a lot during the next couple of years, the next couple of months?
I know some of the stuff might be boring for some of your viewers, but you know, to give a perfect experience, you have to have the boring parts too, and we take care of all of it. The pretty, the fun, the boring,
and that's why you have the food. You have the food. The people who don't understand the plumbing, they have food. Having a Kurrent located on 18th Avenue and Signature Street. Jack is here, Israel is here. They're here to welcome you anytime, any day. Walk in here and you get the full experience.
Thank you so much.
Pulling this off, I call it a mini expo at Kurrent.
Yes.
Hat ze maar lichting natuurlijk.